Hello everyone, welcome to Cynthia Montana channel. Now I'm gonna talk about Axie Infinity. Shows promising upside of potential, but watch out for Axie Infinity dead cat bounce. So we will start it now. Enjoy everyone. Axie Infinity price bounce off a weekly pivot level as it makes a roaring comeback. Following daily closes will be critical to determine if this recovery is solid. Axie Infinity price action will need to be monitored to avoid falling into a dead cat bounce. Axie Infinity price had difficult recovering the past few weeks, and it was difficult for buyers to look for an entry as actual solid entry points. We are quite far off. The pickup in current global market sentiment has shifted the price action in the AXS to the upside. Axie Infinity price looks promising to the upside, but is it the entry point solid enough already to entry on it? The main question in the rally unfolding today is the entry level is stable enough like another cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Polkadot, for example, had a better entry levels. For Axie Infinity price, the previous resistance pivot from the 2 weeks ago is like at $14.05 was for buyers the cue to get long. It does look a bit feeble as a long solid entry point for a long. It will be essential to have a look at higher level like $19.6, a critical resistance level that needs to be tested and monitored. If Axie Infinity price can close above, the buyers withhold from taking any profit around that level, they can control the price action. This way, AXS short seller will get squeezed out of their position and buyers keep the control. A close above $19.6 will thus the vital for the long position being built. Should the level be rejected, Axie Infinity price could fall into a dead cat bounce and dip lower towards at the $14.05 as it will prove too fragile for sellers to take over again in order to push the price action to the downside. In that last case, $14.05 will be tested again and might break even lower towards further downward level there where AXS buyers feel more comfortable stepping in. So this is all about it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.